In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can copy your Twitter link. So for that, all you need to do is open Twitter and go to your own profile. So I'm gonna click right there and I'm gonna go to my profile. Now, when you're here, you should be able to find these three dots at the top right corner. You wanna click on that and then you wanna click on share right there. So click on share, and then when you're here, you can click on copy. So click right there on copy. There you go. Now next up, you basically want to open a Note app or any app where you can actually view that link and paste it. So what I'm going to do right now is paste that. Right there, you'll then see your link. So it will also say checkout and then your name. But you simply want to remove the first part, which leaves you with your link. Then copy that. You'll see that if I now click on go, that's actually going to send me over to my page. So that's how you can copy your Twitter link. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below and let me know if it works, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.